Up next, we have the CAR building, which stands for Counseling, Admissions, and Registrations. It's the place for anything done administratively: adding, dropping classes, change a program or address, chargebacks, tuition payments, and etc. Here you'll find Brookdale's One-Stop Center. The One-Stop Center is a central location where you can take care of all of your enrollment needs in one place. Our staff can answer all of your questions and concerns. When you come to One Stop, you'll be matched up with a specialist who will find the answers you need, whether it's enrolling in a class, getting your transcript, applying for financial aid, paying tuition, and more. Best of all, they can show you how to use all of our new self-service modules, like Student Planning and Web Advisor, so that you can do everything online yourself. No need to visit the campus. New or returning student? Just walk in and we're ready to answer your questions and help you with shortcuts to your student planning services at Brookdale. Upstairs is where you can meet with a student success coach. They offer many forms of guidance like schedule making, degree auditing, career testing, and psychological counseling. The Educational Opportunity Fund, commonly referred to as EOF, is here as well. EOF is a state-funded college access and student support service program hosted and financially supported by New Jersey's colleges and universities. EOF provides affordable tuition for low-income first-generation students to ensure their success. The School of Therapeutic Massage and Holistic Health holds their lectures and practical classes in the lower level of the CAR building. The program produces quality LMTs who graduate with competence in both Swedish and therapeutic massage. College is expensive, but Brookdale offers amazing things at a more affordable rate, and you can get what you want out of it. We offer classes that can set you on a path to a career straight out of Brookdale, and others that can help set you on track for a 4-year school if that's what your desire is.